good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about adding textures behind your beats to get a certain vibe, okay? So let me play you this beat that I got right here. Really listen to the background ambiance of the beat. So if you noticed, there's definitely some kind of texture in the back, and it's this Jungle Love texture from Account Cold Pack. That really can set the tone for your beat. And then when you tie that in with some kind of perk loops, and then tie it in with your own drums, and then you put some melodies on and maybe add a drop, and you get something like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't be sleeping on textures to really set the vibe for your beat. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.